Welcome to Poetry Changes Lives, Poetry and History, a thought for the day, all in this book. If you go to the Poetry Changes Lives website, you can read how to buy the book if you have a mind to. Well, on this day in 1908, really the start of industrialization as we know it began when Henry Ford, the pioneering American industrialist, introduced the Model T Ford, the first mass-produced car. It went on to sell over 15 million in America. Ford was able to achieve this by developing the assembly line through mass production. He had been brought up on a farm, and he got the idea for the assembly line by observing the meat packing industry, where carcasses are sort of brought along on a line and dealt with. So, in early times, before the Model T and before cars, really, early machinery was built on a one-by-one basis individually, which of course took much longer. Industrialization, though, can have negative as well as positive effects. Almost 100 years before the Model T Ford was produced, English poet William Blake was expressing his concerns about industrialization in England's countryside as he saw it. And I'm going to read part of his famous poem, Jerusalem, which of course is a famous hymn and anthem as well. It was set to music. Here we are. And did those feet in ancient times walk upon England's country mountains green? And was the holy Lamb of God on England's pleasant pastures seen? And did the countenance divine shine forth upon these clouded hills? And was Jerusalem builded here among these dark Satanic mills? Bring me my bow of burning gold, bring me my arrows of desire. Bring me my spear, O clouds unfold, bring me my chariot of fire. I will not cease from mental fight, nor shall my sword sleep in my hand, till we have built Jerusalem in England's green and pleasant land. What a magnificent anthem that is. Today I'll strive to understand rather than to fear change. Thanks for listening.